Good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon, traders. How's everybody doing? Hope all is well. Little afternoon session here. Why not, right? Why not? Hope you guys are all doing well. Let's make this a little bit tighter here. I can actually just move this over here. Put this beacon over here too, man, really. Looks like we're dipping. Looks like we be dipping, man. We be dipping into a fully tested area, man. We be dipping into a fully tested area. Uh-oh. Bit worried about new lows coming here in the futures markets here. Looking pretty scary, really, man. Maybe opportunity for a counter trend long. I don't know. We'll see. But markets are moving. That short yesterday worked out pretty good, man. Hit the profit target. You know. Or what was it here? We shorted here. Shorted here. Took PTs down here. I took a PT on I took another PT on a break of this too. Worked out pretty good. Made a couple $100 per account. Let's go. Market's looking pretty shit though. I think we're in for new lows. I think we're in for a new low. Let's have a look and see. Let's have a look and see about things, man. Anybody here? I don't usually stream at this time, so probably not going to be too many viewers, I don't think. Just gonna put you on hold here for a sec. It looks like we have someone at the door. Let's get it, folks. Let's get it. All right, man. I gotta take some time and figure out this chat. It wasn't working again. I don't know. It's not working on YouTube. I got it working for everything else, but not on YouTube. So I still just have all the chats popped out, and I can still see what you guys are saying. I just can't put it up on the screen. I do like it up on the screen though. Yeah. So we're gonna wait for the market to open here. We got about 15 minutes to kill. See if we can get a market open and then see what is gonna happen. I'm feeling that we're just headed lower. I think we are just headed lower. That's just me. A lot of sitting around waiting. We're just gonna be waiting here. Just gonna be waiting. Let's do a little look at a couple of things here. Oh, 111, eh? I think we're gonna touch that 104 area in Bitcoin. I'm gonna start buying after 109. I don't know if we'll get down there, but we'll see. I have things locked and loaded, ready for 104. So we'll see about that. I'm not in the camp of this bull market is over. You know what I mean? I'm just not there yet. I think we still got more juice. I think we got a bit more juice, man. Yeah, I think we got a bit more juice. So, we shall see. We shall see. Let's clear off these lines here a little bit. What's happening in the main thing here? Yeah, you know, this was tagged how many times, man? Like, I just think we're headed lower, man. And like I think we're gonna make new lows lower than this. This is all tested, man. Bit scary. What's up? $101. Snipe prick. Not the greatest with the names. Should really make these bigger. Yeah, I can. See what the fuck you guys are saying. Craftsman, classic Craftsman. Over on the kick today, eh? I don't know how to make you mod over here. I don't even know if I can mod people over here. It's all good. It's all good, man. What are your thoughts here, bud? Not looking very promising, man. You know, looks a little worrisome. The markets as a whole. I think Bitcoin's going to that 104 area. This is why I held back some of my investment for that 104 dip. I do not think the bull run is over. Yeah. this. I think we're gonna bounce here. I think we're headed there though. I don't imagine this will hold. I don't imagine this will hold because it's already been tested 1, 2, 3 times, you know. So I think we're headed here, man. See what happens here. There's probably going to be a bounce on this 4 hour because they did gain, right? So there will probably be a bounce here. They did gain this and they gained it pretty good this 4 hour. So we're in the order block. I will take a long trade if we start seeing, you know, some more movement. Pretty good for a long trade. Try to test the top of this range again. Yeah, you have orders there on the at the 104 area. Yeah, it's where my big orders are, is down here. I have most of my stuff in DeFi, so it's not like I have resting orders. I'll have to just watch the chart, and once we're like, even if we're close, I'll start putting it in, and I'm gonna leverage my entire position there. It's a bit scary to put 3 times leverage on your like full position, but I don't think that we're headed like way low again. I think we have one more pump in us till the end of the year. We just started quantitative easing, man. We just started it, man. Like I can't see them, you know, they're gonna cut 2 more times this year. So I'm pretty sure we're gonna have I'm pretty sure NQ is going a little bit lower, but we lost this, right, on the 4 hour. So this down here is what I would be looking at. This right here. This is the big untested 4. Some pretty serious longs will come in there. This big gap here. So all this is tested, right? So like we should make lower lows than this, right? Rejected this pretty good, you know. They rejected this, they lost it, and then they rejected it hard, right? So I don't know. I'm thinking we're headed lower down to there. Maybe a pump first. Retest this. They didn't really test this on the way down, right? This is kind of the area to be looking at right there on the way up. This big gap. So you could try longing it into there, but I guess I'd be more in the camp of shorting that and then targeting below this. That's kind of how I see it. But ES is already rejected the 4 hour. So did NQ, I believe. Yeah, NQ already rejected the 4 hour. So like, you know, will they give that? I don't know. You know what I mean? They may just dump it. The time to really be to enter would have been here on this 4 hour, right? They're already rejected it. So the time to enter would have already been here. But it didn't really give you a good entry. They took a little bit right here, but not much. Maybe will they come back? Maybe. That will be a very good place to short it. Let's look at ES because I trade ES more. Okay, ES on the fucking 4 hour here. Yeah, so ES again already rejected the 4 hour. So we're just looking for re-entries here now. The initial trade is already happened, kind of. This is so it's kind of this. Yeah, this wasn't tested on the way down. You see the gap. You know, I talk about containment all the time. So when they made new highs here and then made new lows, we're still in the containment right here, right? This to this. That's the leg that we're in. So, you know, taking shorts here after that breaks is not really good. Even taking shorts here after that breaks, it's not the most proper. Not to say it doesn't work, you know what I mean? You could have just drew a trend line like this and said when that trend line breaks, enter short, and you know, that would have worked. But the more proper way to do it is to have confirmation is when the containment breaks. So the containment was here. So when that containment breaks, that's the gap that you want to short. And they didn't really give an entry, so they might go back and retest it. So maybe we'll see. I don't really like a bounce here though, because all this has been tested already. So, you know, I don't know. It's hard to say. Hard to say, man. Anyway, we got open in 4 minutes to see what happens. I gotta get this chat fixed, man. I don't know. The YouTube one's not working. I'm sure because I'm logged in 2 different locations and shit. So I don't know. To figure it out. Oh yeah. This one did well. Mm-hmm. Here's the open.
Most of us are heaving through corrupted lengths, setting fire to our insides for fun, collecting names of the lovers that went wrong.
Yeah, man, lower, I think, here. Yesterday, let me come by and see. Let's see, we'll have staff. Just from yesterday, I can have staff there soon too. Villa was just cleaned yesterday. We can have stuff there soon to redo anything wrong. More down. More down coming, man. I'll look for longs after we make new lows. Let's check this trade. Let's check this craftsman trade. These guys are still on the hunt though. You know what I mean? On the 4 hour. Just look at the daily. Kind of still looks okay, man. It depends what happens with the rest of the markets, man, really. Like, if the rest of the markets are going to tank, then this thing's going with it, probably. We're gonna be looking for 5-minute gains after we make new lows, new swing lows, lower than this, lower than this, down here. You guys can see it down here. What do you think? What do you guys think, man? Do you think this shit holds? I think new lows coming. I don't know, man. I don't know, man. I think new lows. I think dirty new lows coming. That trade worked out like a gem yesterday, though, or 2 days ago. I didn't stream yesterday. A little busy. A little busy with the villas. We're onboarding another villa. So here's the first 15 minutes. Let's draw this out here. Let's just let me get some of these fucking lines off the chart here, man. It's too many. It's too many for me to deal with right now. Lines from fucking 3 days ago. I just want to look at the breaker on this. This is the 15 minutes. I think this is headed quite a bit lower. So it has potential to have a breaker or have a inside bar. These inside bars are nice to trade, man. These inside bars are nice to trade because it really gives you you know, it gives you a good range where to put your stop, right? So after this bar forms in 10 minutes, if it's an inside bar, then whatever way it breaks to the other side, you put your stop on the other side of this bar. So if it stays down here and it's like it continues downwards, you can enter the trade and then just put your stop right here above this bar. Makes it half decent. The Nifty, let's check it. Just look at the weekly here first. Fucking Nifty. They did have weekly closes above where they needed to. Don't want to see them go back there. They're inside the weekly gap right now, and below it, even. They did lose that on the weekly though. They did lose this. They had weekly closes below. So, you know, bit rough. When they came down and tested this is a fully tested area too on the weekly, so. This under here looks kind of interesting. This gap. Big gap here. Under there. No, this is a huge range, but that looks interesting on the weekly. If you want to refine that a bit on the daily, it's here. Maybe 104, 104. Can't see. Oh shit, sorry, man. Down here on the weekly, when they gain this weekly. Right here. And then if you want to refine it on the daily, just move it up a bit on the daily. It's just that daily order block that made this low. I don't know. Ouch. Maybe. Maybe. Skinner said nothing lost. Nothing lost. What are you talking about? Nothing lost. Nothing lost on the weekly. You know, okay, I would beg to differ that nothing lost. Like they lost that. And this could be a big retest, you know what I mean? The daily on the inside trend, they've lost this. Nothing lost. Like, what are you talking about? Nothing lost. They lost that and they just lost this. I would say there's been quite a bit lost. Could they hold this? Sure, they could, but I'm just saying that there's, you know, at least potential to retest this area. So, nothing lost. I don't know about that. Anyway, let's have a focus on the ES here. Bouncing here. How wide is this range? The $50 per contract. It's a $50 per contract kind of thing. I would take longs if we get breaks above here. Target up here. I would have much rather this thing been an inside breaker, but it still could be just a big one. So it's going to be like either way. What do you guys think, man? You were looking for longs in the Nifty? I don't know, man. I have a feeling that these markets are going to dump a bit. All markets. Bitcoin, all markets, really. Depends what kind of, how long you're trading, like what your, the length of the trade, what chart you're looking at. Looking like we could have a push here. There is a little something to gain here. We'll see. If they fail that up there, if they don't have a close up here, if they don't have a close up here, then I think I'm gonna short it and target down here. Yo, what's up, brother? Welcome in, welcome in. Oh yeah? I don't know if I buy that. I don't need to stream with anybody, man. All I do is trade the markets, man. Stream. I just do the streaming just to, because I'm bored, and so I can have someone to talk to, and we can all make some money in the meantime. All right, so we have an inside bar now. This makes it real easy to trade this, right? So if you get a break of this bar, then you can just put the stop on the other end of it. It's kind of a big bar, though. It's a lot nicer when the inside bar is like, let me see if I can find an example of one. Right here. So here's an inside bar. Right here, this bar right here. You can see, just make it real big for you guys. This bar, it's an inside bar of this one. So it's engulfed inside of the bar before it. So on a break of below it is where you would enter, and you would put your stop just at the highs of it. So way to trade inside bars. They're pretty good for like scalping around and shit. Not bad. You can find another one here for you guys. Here's another one. Inside bar right here. So it's engulfed in this one. So this was a break of it. A break and close. You want to look for a close too, sorry. Stops below that. This is the 15-second chart, so I wouldn't put too much weight in that thing. Yeah, NQ ripped. They're holding for now. We see we're right at the level to gain, right? So we'll see. Like they could just fail this right here, right? This was the opening range of the 5 minute. We're right at the opening range. So we'll see. Even if we get a 5 minute close above. So we're gaining. Want to see how this 5 minute closes? Maybe take a little long or maybe take a little short. Really depends. If we get back below the opening range and close the 5 minute down there, I think I want to take a short. No, in 1 minute and a half. That's a 30. Top there. Yeah. Regardless, we can there's opportunity in both directions, really. I'd rather take a short. All right, we closed the 5 minute above. Gonna take longs. Just small, man. Not a huge position. 2 contracts. The stop is gonna be even relatively close too. $50 try. If they gain this 15, I might add to the position. So we have about 8 minutes until I need to know what I'm going to do. Really, I could even move this even a little closer. You know what I mean? I really don't. I want them to hold the top of this. So like, really, you could put your stop there. But it's okay. Just leave it a little loosey goosey. Just a little bit. should really target a little bit higher here. They should. Could go and test this again. So that's kind of where I'm looking, a little bit higher. Something like that. Something like that, man. I'm gonna go have a quick cigarette, guys. I'll leave you guys with the tunes. We'll hang out here for a little bit because now we have an active trade. I want to see how this 15-minute candle closes. If they close and retest, I may add more to this position. If they don't, that's fine. We'll just go with what we got here. Be right back. All right. Close another 5 above. It's kind of looking good for a move, man. Closing the 15 above too. Gaining on the 15. Maybe I'll take one more. Still gonna keep the stop pretty close though. Want the top of this to hold. If it doesn't, I'm out. What up? What's up? What's up? Yo, welcome in, man. How am I? I'm great, man. Can't complain. Living the dream, man. Living in Bali, trading, just chilling. How about you? All good over there? All good in the hood? Good, man. I'm glad. Are you a trader? Kakashi? Kakashi? Kakash. See if we can get this to hold. Gonna add one more here. Maybe two more. All right, two more. That's it. That'll be it for this trade though. Really, no more. It's your hobby? All right. That's okay. My hobby's painting. And model making. Do I play games? I play Star Citizen. I just want that game to be good. But I don't really stream playing games. I only stream trading. That soul frame actually looks pretty cool too. Waiting for that to come out. Do I stream daily? I try to, but usually I don't. I don't usually stream at this time either. This is the London Open. So I'm just streaming just for like another maybe 40 minutes or so, just because I'm in a trade. So we'll see if I get stopped out or not, or what's going on. Usually I stream the New York Open. So at around 8 a.m. Eastern time, New York time. How long have I been streaming? I don't know, maybe like a year. I really just stream so I have people to talk to, because trading is fucking boring, man. Just sit around here watching the charts. May as well get a couple other people in here too, you know what I mean, that are doing the same thing. Keep up the grind. Yeah, you know, it's okay. I'll keep grinding it out. Am I from the US? No, I'm from Canada. But I live in Indonesia now. You're from LA? Yeah, cool. Been there many times. Used to live in on the west coast of Canada. Let's see if this fair value gap holds, boys. Gaining on the small tick chart. You work with some gaming companies? Okay, cool. All right, looks like we're getting a bit of a move here, boys. Let's go. We really want this to work out here now. You don't want this to get, we want it to keep going. I'd like to see a 5-minute close back above the daily high, or back above the opening break. This line marked here. It's a nice retest, nice re-entry. Now let's push her on through. He's live right now, is he? Let's check out who he is, man. I think this is a bullshit thing. So why in the fuck would this guy want to stream with me? You know what I mean? Doesn't make any sense. Sounds like a little promotion, you know what I mean? Just ban you out of here. Get out. Ban this guy too. Just coming in and dropping other streamers' names in the in the chat. Like, that's the stupidest thing I've heard, man. That's the stupidest way to promote, man. Really, man. Like honestly, this guy wants to stream with you right now. This is his name. Go check him out. Like, really, that's dumb. Ah, Kakashi. Looks like you're here to promote too, yeah? I'm good on like graphics and shit, bro. Just so you know, man. I'm all good. I'm good on video editing. I'm good on everything, man. Yeah, the Kick platform is more smoother than Twitch. Yeah, Twitch is kind of a piece of shit. So that's probably good. I appreciate you stopping by nonetheless, Kakashi. You know, but I don't need anything that you're selling. Sorry. Yeah, you too, brother. Have a good one. Good luck peddling your wares. Well, I think this is going to be the stream, guys. I thank you guys all for stopping in. I appreciate it. We'll be here at the regular time. At 8 p.m. or 8 a.m. Eastern. Yeah, I'll do New York open stream. There's just nothing left to do here. I'm either going to get stopped out or it's going to go, and then I'll move my stop. So that's really it. There's really nothing else. You know what I mean? So we'll be back at New York and see where we're at with this trade, and look to probably get into other ones. I moved up my profits targets here to a little bit. So we'll take 3 lots off here if it goes, and then the rest will be for a higher than this. All right, guys. Thank you all again, man. Appreciate you guys. We'll see you guys soon.